Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve with the error code 53003 that you're experiencing when you're accessing Microsoft 365 applications. So error code 53003 is a sign-in error when signing into Teams, Outlook, Office, or other Microsoft product, and it can occur when your login attempt does not meet the administrator criteria. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dyan yung settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apps. And dito sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung installed apps. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa installed apps, so dito sa search app, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung keyword na Office. And then mag-appear ka agad dito yung Microsoft 365 Office. And next step, so dito lang sa right side makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot. So i-click mo lang yan. And then, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung advanced option. And dito lang sa advanced options, settings, and next step ay scroll down. And then, select mo lang dito yung reset. Okay? So, if this app isn't working right, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung repair. And wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. And next step, and then click mo lang dito yung reset. If this app still isn't working right, and then click mo lang dito yung reset. And makikita mo dito yung notifications na this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. And then i-click mo lang dito yung reset. At wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. Alright, so complete na yung reset procedure, and hope na na-resolve yung error. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so open lang natin ang ating Microsoft Edge browser, and dito lang sa upper right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click yung tatlong dot. And then next step, select mo lang dito yung history, so click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa history, and dito lang sa upper right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung delete icon, so click mo lang yan. And then madirect tayo dito sa delete browsing data. And next step, so dito lang sa time range ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung all the time. Click mo lang yan. At dito ay kailangan lang nakacheck tong browsing history, download history, cookies, and other site data, and then yung cache images and file. So dapat nakacheck itong box. And then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung clear now. So click mo lang yan. And wait natin. Alright? So after completing dito, and then close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu, at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix error code 53003 and Microsoft 365 applications. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.